Hello everyone, this is Miss T. In this video, this is going to be the first video that I'm going to do on the Shop Manager on the 2018 version, and I'm just going to do videos on the parts that are new. So in this first video, I'm going to show you guys how to install it once you go to the website and you download it and you get ready to install it. The best place for you to, when you download it, it's going to be a zip file like this. So when you get ready to open it up, unzip that zip file and then go to your C drive, and I'm going to go to my C drive. Go to your C drive and put that file here in your C drive under Miss T's Shop Manager. What will happen is that file, along with everything in it, that is where, when you create your invoices and all of that stuff, that's where all of that stuff is going to go. Um, you cannot change the location of these three top files: customer invoices, job proofs, and customer quotes. Those need to be in the C drive. You can change the location of these other files or forms. Anytime that you go onto the website and you purchase anything additional that you want to go with it, put it in your C drive so that it'll work with your button. I will show you how to activate your button. You can also save it on your OneDrive. I run mine from the cloud on my OneDrive. Sometimes it will slow it down, but you can do that. So once you save it there, then go ahead. If you want to create a shortcut on your desktop, you can right click on customer invoices and create a shortcut. One second, I've unplugged my computer. My kennel man is out back dealing with my dog, so you guys may hear a lot of barking in the background. One second. Oh, back up. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I don't want a shortcut on my desktop, but I can right click this, create a shortcut on the desktop, just send to da 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 desktop shortcut. Okay. So once you do that, you should have a shortcut on your desktop, which is here, and you should go ahead and open it. Now, in the event that you have any problems opening up your file, you can right-click the file. I've unlocked it. I didn't add the installer package this time, so it works better just straight out of Excel. So this is the way it goes. Once you get it open, this is your, I'm going to hide this stuff. This is the control panel. Here in the control panel, if you click on job proof, you see that there's a file there, a file path that says Miss T's Excel job proof. On some of them, it'll just have customer proofs that like that. But I left that one so that you guys will know where that is located. So this is the control panel. This is where you create your invoices. And if I want to change this where it's going to that, I can right click this button and I'm going to hit edit link. And under screen tip, I'm just going to put create invoice. Once you guys get this, you can edit it and do whatever you want to do with it. So now it says create invoice. You can link this to your t-shirts if you have any like t-shirt mock-up samples, the ones that I provide, or if you have your own, you can create a file for that and you can link that to there. This button, you'll view your job orders here. So that'll take you to the job orders, and I'll end up going over all of that. This is to create a new job proof. Now, the ones that I've sent out in the freebies, I did go ahead and include the Excel job proof as part of the package. Um, So this one will be save, view save job proofs. There's a simple invoicer, and I'm not going to go through all of this stuff here. This is where you add new customers to your database. You can add them here, or you can add them actually on the quote form. This will be your customer database here, where all of your contacts will be, and you've got a place to look up invoices, and these will be your invoices. Your invoices will save as an Excel file and as a PDF file. The PDF file is the file that you would email to your clients. So don't email them the Excel file, just email the PDF file. And I did that, left the extra PDF file in there in case you have to go back in and edit anything for a customer. You've also got a place where you can look up quotes. So if you just gave a quote and did not create an order, those quotes would be here. And I'll show you where you're going to do that. You've got a sales reports, and here's your sales report. So we've got all of this. Let me kind of make this a little bit smaller so that I can see. So this is your sales report, your payment status. There are little buttons here. You won't see them, but they are in this column. And every time you click on something, there's one there. So you can type that in, or you can click it. That's how you know if an invoice has been paid or not paid. The invoices, this stuff will go in here automatically when you put in your information, and you will have a total here. Your totals are going to be on line 502, which means you're going to be able to do 500 products before you reach that line. And then after that, you'll just go down. Now, at the end of this thing, you'll have a total here. At the end, when I add another product, it'll give me all of these totals, and the total will be down here for the year to date. But if you want to drag the total of that total amount of that sale down, you're going to do this. So you're going to just go here and click on this and drag it down, and that's going to bring that calculation down. You'll see that calculation here, and it'll move down, and it'll give you the total of whatever is on this line. Let's go back into here. So just a quick little overview of what you have. You also have, I did include the year-to-date expense report. So if you click that, that'll take you to your materials that you buy, which this area would be for t-shirts and things like that, materials that you use to make your t-shirts, even your t-shirts. This other area is for expenses. So I've got little drop downs here in the little gray areas. These are different companies that I use. If you want to edit those companies, you can go here to, let's see, that's going to be on, which sheet is that? Companies, let's see. Okay, that's going to be on sheet 2. And you may want to change the name of this down here. So these are your suppliers. Go in and change this and add the names of your suppliers, and you can change all of this stuff to zeros. Don't mess with the formulas that are up top up here, or you'll totally get this thing out of whack. Okay, these are all of your expenses. So as you add in your expenses over on the other side here, it will calculate over there. And so on this side, if I put in that I bought that I paid a bill from whatever company, I paid my stream energy bill, and I can put how much it is, and I can hit this download arrow here, and I can put in what type of bill this is, and this is an electricity bill. So I can put in electricity. This amount will end up going over here. This is what I'm going to give to my accountant at the end of the year with all of my year-to-date totals. You don't need QuickBooks. You don't need anything else. This is going to break everything down for you, And you can print this out and go give this to your tax professional or do your own taxes. It's come straight off the IRS's website. Now, you guys know there have been some changes, so I don't really know what those are yet.